The comeback step out of comfort. Step into greatness. Comfort is the enemy of progress. You're not here to coast. You're not here to settle. If you stay in your comfort zone, you'll fail every single time. Success doesn't come wrapped in ease. It's hard, it's messy, and it will test you. But that's the price of greatness. You have to get comfortable being uncomfortable. That's where growth happens. That's where champions are built. No more distractions, no more excuses. The time for half measures is over. It's time to lock in. Forget the parties, forget the clubs, forget trying to blend in so people stop calling you different. Let them call you weird. Let them talk about you. While they're busy wasting their time, you're out there building your dream. Why are you always grinding? Why are you always on the court, sweating when no one's watching? Why are you studying while everyone else is out having fun? Because you've got something to prove. Because you know what you're chasing. Your weirdness is your power. Listen to me. Being different isn't a weakness, it's your weapon. The more weird they think you are, the more it shows how locked in you are. While they're fitting in, you're leveling up. While they're comfortable, you're putting in the work. When the time comes for you to shine, you won't just succeed, you'll soar. This isn't about playing it small. Nelson Mandela said, "There's no passion in living a life less than the one you're capable of." And he was right. You're not here to be average. You're here to take risks. You're here to push the limits. You're here to become everything you're meant to be. Live without regrets. Picture this. One day, you're on your deathbed. Around you stand the ghosts of your unfulfilled potential, the ideas you never acted on, the talents you let go to waste. They're staring at you, disappointed, saying, "We came to you because you were the one who could bring us to life. But now, we have to die with you." Let me ask you, how many ghosts will stand around your bed? How many dreams will you let slip away? Why not you? Why can't you be the one who breaks the cycle? You've got the brains. You've got the heart. You've got the power to change everything. You can be the one who grows, who evolves, who fights for their dream no matter what stands in the way. Make fear your fuel. Fear isn't failure. Fear is knowing you could have been great, but never tried. Fear is looking back and saying, "I could have done more." Don't let that be your story. You've got the potential to do something incredible. You've got what it takes to build a life no one can take from you. I've been there. I've felt that fear. I remember running past a graveyard when I was at my lowest, 300 pounds and struggling, and I thought, how many people here died with regret? How many wish they had one more chance? That moment lit a fire in me. I refused to let that be my fate. I refused to let my potential go to waste. And now I'm telling you, don't die with your dreams still inside you. Don't die with regret. It's your time. This is your time. Right here, right now. No more waiting. No more excuses. You've got everything you need inside you. The grind won't be easy, but I promise you, it'll be worth it. Get up, lock in, take the shot, and when the dust settles, the world will know your name.